Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Cook Like a Japanese channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Japanese spicy bean sprout. Bean sprout is super popular here in Japan. We make miso soup with this, and sometimes we stir fry this with chicken or pork or this kind of meat or something like that. And it's super cheap. If you have $1, you can buy 3 of them. Wow, amazing, isn't it? I believe spicy bean sprout is original from China or Korea or those places. But today I'm going to show you the Japanese way. To make it is super easy and the taste is super yummy. So why don't we try? Alright, let's get started. Alright, the ingredients for spicy bean sprout is only one. This one, bean sprout. We call it moyashi in Japanese, and this is 200-gram bag, so I'm gonna use about half of that. For seasonings, we need 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, half tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of Japanese 7-spice pepper powder, and lastly a little bit of salt and pepper. We have 2 steps to make it. Step 1 is to simmer the bean sprout only for 1 to 2 minutes, then you drain it and cool it down. Step 2 is to mix the seasonings. Sesame oil 1 tablespoon, half tablespoon of soy sauce, and this next thing is very Japanese, I believe. You know, half tablespoon of 7-spice pepper powder. If you switch it into Chinese pepper paste called tobanjian, I believe it would taste like Chinese, and if you switch it into a Korean pepper powder, it will taste like Korean, I believe. Anyway, finish up the seasonings with a little bit of salt and pepper. Then put that boiled bean sprout into the seasoning and mix it well. That's it. Why don't we go on to step 1? Right now the water is boiling. So why don't we put the washed bean sprout in it and simmer it for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, now 1 minute plus few seconds has passed. Right, now it's ready. So why don't we go to step 2? To step 2. Step is to make seasonings with soy sauce 1 tablespoon. No, it was a sesame oil 1 tablespoon and soy sauce half tablespoon. Sesame oil 1 tablespoon, soy sauce half tablespoon. And this next thing is really Japanese. It's half tablespoon of 7 taste pepper. Right, I'm kinda running out of it. Okay, and then you mix it well. Oh, I forgot to put the little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, it's enough. And then put the simmered bean sprout into the seasoning. Mix it well. Yeah, it looks good, isn't it? Yeah, great. Okay, it's mixed. Why don't we plate it? Alright, it's time to plate the spicy bean sprout, Japanese style. Whoa, looks great. Great. It is side dish, so this amount for a person is enough. And you can keep this in the fridge about a day. Right, now the spicy bean sprout Japanese style is ready. Alright, thanks for watching, and now you know to make spicy bean sprout is super easy and it won't take time, so why don't you try it at your home? Anyway, I hope you liked this video, and please put thumbs up button and leave some message down below and subscribe. Okay, see you in the next video. See you soon. Take good care. Arigato. Bye bye.